In today's video, I'm going to give you the best Apple AirDrop replacement out there. If you're struggling with your iOS to Android conversion, well then I have the perfect solution for you. If you are struggling with your iOS to Android conversion and you are missing that all-time AirDrop goodness going from your Apple to your Android, then I have the solution for you. And spoiler, it is not the new Samsung Quick Share either. Hang around for some more. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan and I am the Wannabe Geek. I'm just an average guy with an above average interest in all things technology. I actually love to make video for just the average person who also has an above average interest in all things tech. So if that's you, hang around, watch the video, because in today's video, like I said earlier, I have got the perfect solution for you if you are struggling going from iOS to Android and missing that airtime goodness. So with that said, I'm going to give you a very good AirDrop alternative. This is going to give you a one-to-one real-time sharing opportunity from one device to another, whether it be Apple, Samsung, Android, iOS, Mac OS, iPad OS, Windows, does not matter. This thing can replace AirDrop, no worries, hands down whatsoever. So ever since Australia received the very first iPhone, the iPhone 3 here in Australia, I have been an Apple iPhone user. I even predicted years before iPhone was released that when Apple released a cell phone, a mobile phone, whatever you want to call it, it was going to be the very best mobile on the market. And I wasn't far wrong from that either. For years, it dominated. The iPhone dominated from there. And I was actually stuck into the ecosystem. I was immediately hooked. And of course, as everyone does, I was connected, locked in, trapped. I was in the ecosystem. Now you may be saying, this ecosystem? What is this ecosystem? Check the card out up here, wherever it is. There's a link to MKBHD's video on the ecosystem being explained. Fantastic video, have a watch. He's done incredibly well in explaining what this actual ecosystem is and why people feel so locked into it. Now, when I went to Android and I jumped over to my S10 Plus and then upgraded to the S10 5G, I started missing the AirDrop functionality and the feature and the beautifulness of what AirDrop could offer. I was just starting to get lost, and I wanted to go back into pretty much the boringness of what Apple has in their usability of their in their interface. However, I then found Send Anywhere. Now, Send Anywhere was just like a godsend. What is Send Anywhere? Well, let me tell you what Send Anywhere is, and I'm going to go through with you a few steps on how you can use Send Anywhere in your environment as well. Send Anywhere is a file sharing application that takes an easy, quick, and unlimited approach to file sharing. This thing is unreal. Cloud sharing or storage services often offer a promise of unlimited file storing and sharing, but their speeds and usability are so compromised. Have you ever tried to use another app where you've got to upload it to the cloud, then you've got to send it across and you've got to save it and all that sort of thing? Well, Send Anywhere is for anyone wanting to share quality content quickly from anyone in the world. So how does Send Anywhere work? Well, let me tell you, this one-to-one real-time sharing feature is fantastic. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my phone. I'm going to use the Note 10 here and the iPhone. First things first. Yes, it is an application that you have to download. I hear you saying already, oh no, not another application. Please don't get your knickers in a knot. It's seriously not that bad. Once the application's on the phone, the device or whatever, it works brilliantly. So yes, you do have to do that step. Let's go through a quick process on getting the phone onto your device. So we're going to be using the two phones here. So we've got the Apple iPhone and we've got the Note 10. Obviously cross-platform, no such thing as AirDrop or the Quick Share or Android Beam or any of those things are not going to work with these two devices. If I send from this phone to this phone as a message, there is a degradation in the quality of the photos or videos that are sent. And that's why Send Anywhere is the perfect solution. So let's go into seeing how this does work. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the application and we're going to send a photo from our Android to our Apple. As you can see on my Note 10 here, we've just got the photo of a lamp that I just took a photo of, and I'm going to send that to my Apple iPhone over here. So I'm in the send feature that you can see on my Note 10 and we need to go into receive on here. The really cool thing with this is that if I've already sent a device, a photo, an image or whatever, it is so much simpler. So if I just press send, it gives me a list of prescribed devices that I regularly send files, photos, videos or whatever to. So in this case, as you can see on the recording, we've got the iPhone in there. But we're going to set this up as if it's never been done before. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go send, and we're going to do it. There's a few different ways that you can do it. You can either do it via the link that's up on the screen, the QR code, or you can even do it by the actual share link as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to do it by the QR code. So we share, and now you see the iPhone, and the iPhone is now receiving whilst the Android is sending. So you can see that it's been sent. I don't know why I showed you up on the screen, because I'm going to put these up on the screen anyway. I'll have them sort of like this on the screen around my face. Okay, so if we actually go into here, it's completed. It says it's complete. It's actually already in my photos. So if I go into my photos, there we go. And that's the photo that has just come through. So who is Send Anywhere for? Let me put it out there, peeps, this is for everyone. If you have not got, and if you do not download Send Anywhere onto your phone right now, onto your iPad, onto your computer, you're crazy, because this is such a great application that has maximum opportunity to send big files, large videos, photos in top quality. You will not lose the quality of the photos. Not everyone uses applications like WhatsApp or Allo. Well, Allo's not even here anymore. But if you don't have, and you are not in the Apple ecosystem, and you're not using iMessage, you will lose the quality of the photos. So Send Anywhere will not lose the quality of those photos. The metadata is maintained, the quality of the images are maintained. So this is an application that is for everyone. Now, can AirDrop do that? No, it can't. So just in wrapping up, thank you so much. I thank you for your time today in watching the video. Is AirDrop better than Send Anywhere? Is Send Anywhere better than AirDrop? For me, I honestly think that Send Anywhere is a far better option because it's cross-platform. Like I said, I can use it for multiple large files. I can send large downloads, music files. I send them all to my iPad if I download a file that I need to use for my YouTube video, it's all done on my phone. I send it to my iPad using Send Anywhere, and it just goes straight into my Lumafusion application, which is fantastic. Now, if you are stuck in the ecosystem and wanting to release yourself, give this a go. Is it iMessage? No. I use WhatsApp for family messaging. Is it AirDrop? No, it's better than AirDrop. It does have some limitations, but so does AirDrop. If there's an application that you have out there that doesn't have the limitations that this may, please put the comments, put your notes in the comments, put the application that you may know that is better than this in the comments below. I would love to see what you're using for your cross-platform file sharing as well. If you like this video, if this video helped you out in any way, please give us a like, hit that subscribe button, that would be muchly appreciated. I am committed to getting a tech video out one a week. I will venture into trying to get more tech news videos out as time does go. But if you did like the video, please hit the subscribe button down below. If you didn't like it, go to someone else's channel and hit their like button twice. I really appreciate it. I've already had one dislike, and boo-hoo to the douche that gave me that is all I can say. Anyway, I love yous all. I appreciate you coming to my channel, and thank you so much. Full disclosure, Send Anywhere did not contact me. Send Anywhere did not ask me to do this. Send Anywhere has not had any part of me making this video. Every single bit of my opinion that is given in this video is purely that, my opinion, and I really appreciate the thought, the feedback around what you think about the Send Anywhere app. Give it a go, download it, encourage you to try this out. I am sure that you will love it as much as I do too. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a fantastic day.